Every day, tons of fresh, premium potatoes arrive at this state-of-the-art KFC factory. These select potatoes are the foundation of our world-famous crispy French fries. The raw potatoes are poured onto a fast-moving conveyor belt to begin their transformation. Every single batch must undergo rigorous quality and safety inspections before moving forward. Advanced AI scanners analyze the size, shape, and internal quality of each potato. Only the perfect potatoes proceed to the automated peeling station. The peeled potatoes emerge perfectly clean, ready for the cutting process. Using high-velocity water jets, the potatoes are pushed through ultra-sharp blades. This automated cutting line ensures every single fry has the perfect thickness. Next, the fries enter the blanching stage to preserve their natural color. A gentle hot air dryer removes surface moisture to guarantee a crispy exterior. Now, the fries are coated with a light, signature KFC batter. This special batter is what gives our fries their legendary, long-lasting crunch. They are par-fried at a precise temperature to lock in the fluffy interior. This step ensures our fries remain light, crispy, and never greasy. Next, the fries enter a multi-stage cooling system to lower their temperature. Once cooled, they are ready for the individually quick frozen, or IQF, tunnel. This advanced freezing technology preserves the fresh taste and texture perfectly. The frozen fries are packed into iconic KFC-branded red and white bags. Every single bag passes through a metal detector and check weigher. Approved bags are then packed into large cardboard boxes by robotic arms. The boxes are labeled with barcodes for full traceability across the supply chain. The loaded pallets are wrapped in protective stretch film to secure them. The pallets are stored in a massive, temperature-controlled cold warehouse. This cold chain ensures the fries remain perfectly frozen until they reach the restaurant. Every day,
refrigerated trucks depart from this factory to deliver fresh fries nationwide. Inside the restaurant, the fries are cooked to order, ensuring maximum freshness. Behind every crispy, golden KFC French fry is a massive, dedicated industrial system. Enjoy the perfect crunch, made with passion and precision every single day.